how to determine structural performance and wind load using ASCE SEI 7 standard. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we cover the importance of the American Society of Civil Engineers and Structural Engineering Institute's standard ASCE/SEI 7 in determining wind load based upon factors such as wind speed, building exposure, and importance factor. But let's start with looking at what ASCE 7 is. So we've got to get the correct wind load. So we're going to use the ASCE 7 to determine what that is. Now, ASCE 7 calculates wind speed or wind load based on variables specific for every job. So you can see the variables listed here: wind speed, building exposure, importance factor, and height. All of those go into ASCE 7 to calculate what the wind speed is for every specific project location. Once you run it through ASCE 7, ASCE 7 is going to generate two different types of component and cladding charts. The first one is what we call LRFD, or load resistance factor design. And this is your wind speed or wind loads based upon a 500-year cycle of what the ultimate highest wind speed could be in a 500-year cycle. The second components and cladding chart that's created is what we call ASD, or allowable stress design. This is based on a 50-year cycle, the high wind in a 50-year cycle. So both those are generated. So do be aware of which one is being required for your project. In most cases, ASD, or allowable stress design, is the wind load that's being allowed to be used. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.